Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Word Unlocked.
Hi, guys. We are so happy you are listening today.
I am Jake, and this is Sarah. We love helping you learn English every single week.
That's right. If you want to speak better English, you are in the right place. Every episode, we take one English word or phrase.
We unlock it. We make it very easy for you to use in real life.
Today, we have a great word. It is a very common word in English. The word is grasp.
Grasp. Grasp. Sarah, are you ready to talk about grasp today?
I am very ready. Let's do it.
So, what does the word grasp actually mean? It has two different meanings.
Yes, it does. The first meaning is physical. It means to hold something very tightly with your hand.
Like, I grasp the steering wheel of my car. I hold it strong.
Exactly. You hold it tight. Or a baby will grasp your finger.
Yes, but today we're talking about the second meaning, the mental meaning. What does that mean?
Mentally, to grasp means to understand something. Usually, it is something difficult.
Right. If a new idea is hard and you finally understand it, you grasp it.
It is like your brain is holding the idea tightly.
I really love that picture, your brain holding an idea.
Yes, we use this word a lot at work, in school, and in daily life.
Let's look at our first chunk. It is grasp a concept or grasp the situation.
A concept is an idea. A situation is what is happening right now in your life.
So, what does it mean to grasp a concept?
It means to deeply understand a complicated idea or a big problem.
For example, math can be hard to learn.
Yes, math is very hard for me.
Me too. So you might say, it took me a long time to grasp the concept of algebra.
That is a great example. You finally understand the hard math idea.
Here's another example. Think about a computer team at work. They have new software.
Okay, new software can be difficult.
Yes, you can say, it took the new workers 3 weeks to finally grasp the concept of the new software.
Perfect. They took 3 weeks to understand it. They grasped the concept.
Our second chunk is have a firm grasp on something.
Firm means strong, right?
Yes, firm means strong and tight, not loose. So, to have a firm grasp on something means you understand it very, very well.
Exactly. You have a strong understanding. You are in total control of the information.
You are the expert. You know all about it.
Let's give an example. Imagine a big project at your office.
You need a good leader for the big project.
Right. So the boss might say, before we let her lead the project, we need to make sure she has a firm grasp on the rules.
That means she needs to know the rules perfectly.
Yes, she needs a firm grasp on them. She needs to know everything about it.
Let's move to chunk number 3, beyond your grasp or out of your grasp.
This one is the opposite of the last one.
The opposite? What do you mean by that?
It means something is impossible to understand. It is just too hard.
Ah, I see. It's too far away for your brain to hold it.
Exactly. Or it can mean something is impossible to get. You do not have the money or the skills.
Like buying a very expensive sports car.
Yes, buying a Ferrari is completely out of my grasp right now. I don't have that money.
Same here, Sarah. Let's use a work example for this one.
Okay, imagine some very difficult computer code.
You can say the new computer system was completely beyond the grasp of the sales team.
Good sentence. The sales team could not understand it at all. It was beyond their grasp.
Now for chunk 4, within your grasp.
This sounds very positive. Within means it's close.
Yes, it means you are incredibly close to getting a big goal.
You are almost there. You just need to reach out and take it.
To take it, to make it happen, and see its effects in your life.
Think about a big promotion at work.
You worked hard all year long.
You are doing a great job. Your boss is very happy with you.
You can say, the new job is finally within my grasp. I love that. You are so close to winning it.
Here's another example. Two big companies are talking about a big deal.
It takes 6 months of talks. It's very hard work for everyone.
But they are almost finished. You say, after 6 months of hard talks, the $1 million deal is finally within our grasp.
They're so close. It's right there. It's within their grasp. Okay, our last chunk is number 5, grasp at straws.
A straw is a little plastic tube. You use it to drink juice or water from a cup.
Why are we grasping at straws? That sounds very strange.
It is a very common idiom. It means you are desperate.
Desperate. Things are going very, very bad.
Yes, a situation is failing, so you try absolutely any crazy idea to fix it.
Even if the idea is bad and will not work.
Right. Imagine a man falling in the water.
He tries to grab tiny pieces of grass or straws to pull himself up. But a straw will not hold him. It will break easily.
Exactly. That's why it means you are trying silly, hopeless ideas to save a bad situation.
Let's say a business is losing a lot of money. They sell shoes.
Okay, the shoe business is failing. They need help.
Suddenly, the boss says, let's stop selling shoes. Let's start selling dog food online.
That makes no sense. That is a crazy idea.
Right. So you say the failing company is just grasping at straws now.
Great example. They are trying anything, even if it's crazy. They are grasping at straws.
Now it is time for our stories. Sarah, do you have a story using the word grasp?
I do. So, a few years ago, I decided to learn how to play the guitar. I bought a cheap one online.
Oh, I didn't know that. Was it easy to learn?
Not at all. The teacher told me to put my fingers in very strange ways. My hand hurt.
Guitar chords can be very difficult for a beginner.
Yes, for the first 2 months, I could not do it. But finally, I grasped the concept of how to move my hand. Now I can play 3 songs.
That is awesome, Sarah. You grasped the concept of playing the chords.
What about you, Jake? Do you have a story for us?
Yes, I do. Last year, I tried to fix my own car to save some money.
Oh no, that sounds like a very bad idea.
It was a terrible idea. I watched the video on the internet, but the engine was too complicated.
Did you actually fix it?
No, I made it worse. The problem was completely beyond my grasp. I had to pay a professional mechanic to fix my mistakes.
Next time, you should know if the job is beyond your grasp.
Okay, let's review what we learned today about our word.
We learned the word grasp. Mentally, it means to understand something hard.
First, we learned grasp a concept or grasp the situation. This means you understand the big idea.
Second, we learned have a firm grasp on something. This means you understand it perfectly. You are the boss of it.
Third, we learned beyond your grasp or out of your grasp. This means it is just too hard to understand or get.
Fourth, we learned within your grasp. This means you are very close to winning or getting your goal.
And fifth, we learned grasp at straws. This is when you are desperate and try crazy ideas to fix a bad problem.
Now it is time for your homework. We want you to practice using these chunks.
Write one sentence using the chunk within my grasp.
Think about a goal you are very close to finishing. Maybe it is learning English.
Put your sentence in the comments below. We read all of them and we love reading them.
Well, that is all for today's episode.
Thank you so much for listening to Word Unlocked.
We hope you now have a firm grasp on the word grasp.
Good one, Sarah. Very funny.
Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep unlocking your English.
See you next time, everyone. Have a great week. Bye.